When the auditor fails to gather sufficient appropriate audit evidence, they will have to issue either a qualified audit opinion or a disclaimer. Deciding between these two will be a matter of determining how pervasive the limitation was. The auditor will consider both the magnitude of that and the cause of it. If it is a client imposed rather than circumstance imposed, they will be much more likely to issue a disclaimer. When issuing a qualified opinion, the first three paragraphs will be the same as unmodified opinion. However, in the opinion paragraph, they will identify the exception. What weren't they able to gather sufficient appropriate evidence on? And then in an additional paragraph, they'll discuss why that scope limitation existed. We are not saying in this opinion that it's wrong, just we have insufficient evidence to conclude it is correct. A disclaimer is much different. In the first paragraph, we note that we were engaged. We don't say anything else. We provide no modification on management's responsibility. In our responsibility section, we specifically say we were unable to gather sufficient evidence and delete audits are the basis of our opinion. So we're going to remove that concept. We're going to indicate in the opinion paragraph we cannot express an opinion, and we're going to list all the scope limitations in our final paragraph. And so these two opinions take very different forms. Unlike qualified and adverse, which are similar, these are very different.